Today we are going to discuss about what are the ways to make money in college. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Poorna Hari. I am studying B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this channel, I make videos which will help you outside the classroom. College is the best time to make money and build skills. In this time, you don't have any pressure and you have energy and time also. I earned my first 10k in diploma second year. I earned this from the internship. Let me tell you what are the 5 practical strategies which you make money. First one, internships. Internships are the best way to make money while in college if you have a skill. Bro, internships are unpaid. How can I make money? Some internships are unpaid. Do that internship and gain experience and apply for paid internship. I got my first 10k during my first internship. Trust me, internships are one of the best ways to make money. Second one, freelancing. I got my first freelance gig for 5,000. Have experience around 6 months to 1 year. If you don't want to do any internships, you can start freelancing. Approach some clients and initially do for free and build the trust. Approach the agencies who can do these services for businesses and join as a freelancer. I believe freelancing is one of the best way to make money. Third one, short form video editing. Reels and YouTube shorts are booming right now. Everybody needs a video editor. And guess what? You can learn video editing in less than a month. Offer your services to YouTubers, influencers and many more. You can charge between 500 to 2000 per video. If you are consistent and you can deliver the best content, you can earn between 15k to 30k per month. And it's trending right now and demand is huge. Fourth one, graphic designing. Graphic designing is not just for creative people. If you learn how to make thumbnails, Insta posts and logos and pitch decks, it's a money making machine right now. Start with Canva and post your work in socials. You can offer your thumbnails to small YouTubers and offer your posters to college fairs. People will pay starting from 50 to 500 per thumbnail or the post. Stick to one YouTuber and one client and work further. Fifth one, AI powered website development. You no longer even to be a full stack developer to build websites. You can develop websites using AI tools like Framer or Lovable.dev or Bold. Build portfolio websites and e-commerce websites for businesses and start making money with them. Yeah, these are the 5 side hustles to make money. Start with one thing and essentially you need to learn one skill and be master at it and start making money with that. Comment below which side hustle are you going for. Let me know if you want any specific video. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.